Hello, today I will show you how to find teammates in Dungeonborne. First, you'll want to either click on one of the two plus icons or the friends icon right here. You'll be now transported into the friends and teammates menu. Here in Team Finder, you can customize the quick team you are looking for. For example, as I am playing a fighter, I don't want to have another fighter in my team. I would want to have somebody like a rogue, a pyromancer, or, well, any other support and assassin type characters, classes. You can choose which modes you want to play in and what levels those teammates should be. You can toggle team fighter status to showcase other players that you are looking for a team. In the look for a teammate section, you can invite other players to your team. Simply tap the plus icon next to them, or also you can enter player ID or the player's name and search for them that way. If you have friends in-game or on Steam, you will find them in Friends and Steam Friends tabs. Friend requests are right here. Right here are the players you have recently played with. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.